So now let's see how we can work around with converting of programming codes from one programming language to another programming language inside of ChatGPT. So over here you can see that I have this Python programming code, and let's say what I want to do is I want to convert this particular programming code to C programming code. So all I need to do is simply go around and copy this right here and then go to ChatGPT and give this prompt. So I'm going to go around and say convert this Python programming code to C programming code right here, just like this, and paste this out and press enter. So once I do that, you can see that this is what you have. So here it says here's the equivalent C programming code right here. So you can simply go around and copy out the code right here and then go around onto let's say C compiler right here and paste this out around over here just like this. So once I do that, I can go around and hit the run button, and you can see that now C programming code runs. So it says enter the first number. You can go around and enter out these numbers, and it says the largest number is 457. So it converted this code into this code right here just in a matter of seconds by using ChatGPT, just like this. And that is how you can utilize ChatGPT to convert programming codes from one code to another easily. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.